This is where I'm going to become a little bit repetitive because I will say repeatedly this is much like algebra and also much like expanding radicals. In other words, we're going to do FOIL. 3 times 4, 12. Outside, inside, and last. Remember, j squared is -1. That's going to make this term positive 12. What we're going to wind up with is this plus this is 24. This and this is minus 10j, and we are done. This time, remember, you cannot just square the things inside. The whole bracket appears twice as a factor. First, outside, inside, last. Remember, j squared is -1. That makes that -9. 49 minus 9 is 40. These two will combine to minus 42j. This pattern should look familiar to you. These are called conjugates. It's when we have the same thing multiplied, but one has a positive and one has a negative, or subtraction. First, I'll do it out. Outside, inside, last. Remember, j squared is -1, making this term positive 25. These two terms cancel. That's always going to happen when you multiply conjugates. And we'll be left with 16 plus 25, which is 41. The fact that there is no j term, no imaginary term here, is significant. It's going to be important. Let's do it again. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 21j outside, minus 21j, that's the inside, minus 49j squared, that's the last. Because j squared is -1, that makes this positive 49. These cancel off, that's why we're doing this, and we're going to wind up with 58. And basically what's happening is you're winding up with this squared plus this squared. That's 9 plus 49, which is 58. This ties back, or will tie back, into rationalizing the denominator when we had binomial radicals. We multiplied by the conjugate to turn things into single terms.